The rally on homebuilder stocks hasn't fizzled out just yet. With mortgage rates retreating and inflation abating, where does that leave homebuilder stocks coming in 2024? Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero with more on the industry's outlook. Dani.
Akiko, homebuilder stocks are on another tear once again, but there are three stocks that are really telling the story here. Lennar is up 44% this year. Pultegroup up 100% this year, and Horton is up 45% this year. So the gains really do highlight how bullish the attitude is coming from investors. Not only that, but home builders have been stepping up their game this year. During this high interest rate environment, they've been offering incentives like those mortgage rate buydowns to bring in demand. That mortgage rate buydowns are once you upfront the cost to lower down the rate on the loan. That has been really a big incentive across all home builders. But the moves from the home builders are really having Wall Street analysts expect that these public home builders will gain the market share for both new homes and overall transactions. There was a note from BTIG that really highlights this overall scenario. They say out of the 20 publicly traded home builders, that they control nearly 2 million lots. And with today's average for new homes, which is around $478,000, that could equal to $975 billion in future revenue. Cha-ching! But before the cha-ching, there is some headwinds for this sector ahead. They say in this note that the large metros are actually getting a little bit crowded by these public home builders, so there's not that much headroom for there. But the big question overall is, will the home builders be as successful if there is any rate cuts? They've been very successful in a high interest rate environment, but if that changes next year, what will happen? We'll have to wait and see on that.
Indeed, and something else we'll be waiting for. Toll Brothers reporting Q4 after the bell today. What can investors expect there?
Toll Brothers has been really busy at work, especially this year. In the third quarter, they blew past analyst expectations. The CEO, Doug Yearly, he even called out the country's housing stock lousy. A big key reason for this home builder, the success on this home builder. The company is forecasting for the fourth quarter to deliver between 2,650 and 2,750 units. They'll have a price tag, an average of $1 million on those homes. We'll have to wait and see after the bell on what really Toll Brothers comes out with their fourth quarter earnings. Rochelle?
Certainly be keeping an eye on that. Appreciate you as always. Yahoo Finance reporter Dani Romero.